Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara in bright white. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, tubular side steps, deep tint sunscreen windows, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 46,000 miles on the odometer, audio jack input for mobile devices, command track shift on the fly part-time four-wheel drive, rear 60/40 folding seats, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 47360B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.